Hi and welcome to this latest Property Factory update. Next week we are doing Auckland as a regional focus, and we've just launched a whole bunch of unbelievably positive cash flow Auckland deals in ludicrously good suburbs by price point. So make sure you keep an eye on those and join that webinar on Tuesday night. But we're also going to add some new topics that help you understand and become a better investor. We're gonna have a webinar on our hot deals and how they match your financial circumstance, and that's our property matching process. We're also going to explain why some deals make sense and others don't. We're going to actually take the investment capacity report and break it down so that you can understand it from start to finish, because we've had a lot of feedback that we've given these really cool reports, but from a understanding of what they are, we're going to go a bit more low level. So David or I or both of us are going to do a whole session on actually understanding those numbers. We're also going to do a webinar on understanding the property clock. It sounds simple, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, but the reality is a lot of people have also asked us a bit more about, well, how can I understand my suburb? How can I understand a different city that I don't know? And you can, because there's so much information online. We're going to break down infill housing, greenfield subdivisions, and a whole lot more. So keep an eye on your inbox. We're going to be launching a few more deals over the coming weeks as well. But yeah, we're really wanting to connect with you and have make the most of this time where we're all stuck at home in my home office here. And yeah, we'll mix these videos up so that you're getting a few from me and a few from David. So have a good weekend, and we'll see you at the webinars in the coming weeks. Thanks very much and have a good day.